So ibig sabihin pala, talagang tama na intayin din natin, no? Kasi may sariling, lalo na pag Monday, tatandaan nyo, pag Monday, okay? Listen carefully ha. Yung sabi ko sa inyo, nung Friday ka Miranda, di ba ito yung halos weekend, no? Yung weekend, nakailang dump si Bitcoin. Nung weekend, nakailang dump si Bitcoin. Ang sabi natin, dahil hindi nakahabol, hindi makapag-react ang US market because sarado ang market nila, pwede tayo magkaroon ng after effect ng Monday. After effect. So, Miranda, yung ating 9:30 po ng gabi, Philippines time, tandaan po natin that kung pangit po ang weekend ng crypto, pwedeng magkaroon ng volatility on a 9:30 p.m. Can you please type number 1 kung naiintindihan yan? Kasi hindi sila makapag-react. The market is closed on the weekend. Therefore, malalabas lang nila yung positions nila because of the negative issues ng weekend. Pag open ng market ng Monday, bakit ganyan? Wala ba silang mga account sa Binance? Hindi naman kasi lahat meron, no? Hindi naman lahat meron. Majority of them are also relying, no, on Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Sarado po ang